Germany's new work visa, Chancenkarte 2025. Full process and eligibility. Are you dreaming of working in Germany but don't have a job offer yet? Then the new opportunity card, also called Chancenkarte, could be the solution you've been waiting for. It gives qualified professionals from non-EU countries a chance to come to Germany and look for work directly from inside the country. This new visa was launched in June 2024 and is designed to attract skilled workers by making it easier to enter Germany without needing a job offer in advance. With the opportunity card, you can live in Germany for up to 1 year to search for a job or even start a business. While you're searching, you're also allowed to work part-time, up to 20 hours per week, and take part in short trial jobs, up to 2 weeks per employer. This gives you a great way to explore options and make contacts. Now, who can apply for the opportunity card? There are 2 main paths. First, if you're already considered a skilled worker in Germany, that means you have a university degree or vocational qualification recognized in Germany, you can apply directly. Second, if you don't have recognized qualifications yet, you can still apply by using the new point system. You'll need at least 6 points to qualify. Points are given based on several factors: your educational qualifications, language skills like German, A1 or higher, or English, at least B2, professional work experience, your age. You get more points if you're under 35. And if you've visited or studied in Germany before, the better your profile, the higher your chances. Now, what documents do you need? You'll need a valid passport, your CV, and a motivation letter explaining why you want to work in Germany. Also include proof of qualifications, language certificates, and either a blocked bank account showing you have at least $1,091 per month, or a part-time job offer already arranged in Germany. Health insurance is also required before you enter the country. So how do you apply? If you're still in your home country, apply through the German embassy or consulate. If you're already in Germany with a legal status, you can apply at your local immigration office. Once you arrive with the opportunity card, you have 12 months to find a full-time job related to your qualifications. If you succeed, you can switch to a regular work visa or residence permit. In short, the opportunity card is a fantastic new way to explore life and work in Germany without needing a job contract in hand from the start. If you're skilled, motivated, and ready for a new chapter, this could be your chance. Start preparing your documents now and check if you meet the points requirement. Your new future in Germany might be just one step away.